जिसके पुकार पर जनसेना चला आता था, जिसके पुकार पर जनसेना चला आता था, एक नियति की डर से दुश्मन भी थथराता था, एक नियति की डर से दुश्मन भी थथराता था। मरते मरते माफ कर दे जिसने अपने हथियारों को, मरते मरते माफ कर दे जिसने अपने हथियारों को, क्यों देश भूलता जाए बापू के विचारों को, क्यों देश भूलता जाए बापू के विचारों को। First of all, a very warm and good morning to all and present here, to the honorable director sir, most respected principal sir, all dear teachers and all my colleagues. I am here for the promise again. I am Dr. from the ground and Parvitra. You all know that you all have gathered here to celebrate very nice occasion for Gandhi Jayanti and Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti. It is the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karmchand Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at the base camp Porbandar in Gujarat. He is also known as Father of Nation and Bapuji. This day was declared by the United Nations General Assembly on 15 June 2007. This day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhiji was a man simple, easy and high thinking. He was a lawyer and he took his law degree from UK. He had described his life full of a struggle in his autobiography named My Experience with Truth. He brought his laws to patience and they against the British rule for independence of India. He has spent his life in Sabarmati Ashram with his wife Kasturba Gandhi, which is located in Ahmedabad. The principles of truth and non-violence teach a lot about living life and bring the concept of Satyagraha and Dandi March. The President, the Prime Minister and other leaders have paid their respect to Gandhiji at his memorial place in Rajghat and his favorite person, Raghupati Raghav Rajtham. He has set as a target for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for the cleanliness of India. Now I am going to swear a great saying on Mahatma Gandhi. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Love if you were to live forever. ऐसे जिए जैसे आपको कल मरना है और ऐसे जिए जैसे आपको हमेशा जीत रहना है. Now I am ready for my speech. This poem on Mahatma Gandhi. गांधी जी सबसे